Hey y'all, this is 12 o'clock here, and welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. I was getting ready to finish up some wheel chocks for the trailer, and I just wanted to share a tip with you about drilling holes. So when drilling holes, a lot of people, they just, put the drill bit on there and go. And that's good if you have a specifically high-speed drill bit. If you do not have a high-speed drill bit, this is just going to ruin your drill, and on metal like this especially, this is very hard metal. Props to Harbor Freight on the bottom plate on these motorcycle wheel chocks, because they're very hard. So when you're drilling, don't give it everything. You don't have to give it everything. It actually cuts better when you drill slower sometimes. Sometimes some drill bits are just designed to not go that fast. So when you're drilling, as you can see when I'm going to do this here, spray a little WD-40 on the drill bit and the hole, and just drill slow. I'm never going to go as fast as the drill can go. So here, I'll show you. Alright, it's just now starting to bite, so I'm going to take and I'm going to spray a little WD-40 on it. Spray a little WD-40 on the hole, on the drill bit. It keeps it cool, and it helps it cut. And you're going to see when I speed up, you might see a little bit of smoke, so I'll show you that here in a second. Now remember, this is very hard steel, so this is a very good drill bit too, so it's just that hard to get through, but it'll get there. Just let it do its thing. If we go too fast, it'll just smoke the bit, and it'll dull the edges of the bit, and then you're not going to cut anything, especially this hard stuff like this. See that smoke that came off of it? There's no reason to go that fast. I'll do it one more time. It instantly starts smoking. And I hope the camera picked that up, because I'm not going to do that again. And you can see, even though I'm going super slow, it's eating right into that, and you can feel it in the drill. You can feel it catching as it drills into the metal. You can see the material coming out of the hole. Almost through now. All right. All right, so there you go. Just take it slow. Don't burn your bit up. These things can be expensive for the good ones. Little WD-40. There's no reason to go fast on any hole. So that's it, guys. This is 12 o'clock. And remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.